How to clear Claude AI memory. First, open the Claude application on your device. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Tap on the three lines that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Tap on the profile icon that you can see at bottom. You can see various options over here. Tap on the option Capabilities. You can see various capabilities of Claude. Find this section for memory. If generate memory from chat history is enabled, you can see memory from past chats over here. You can delete the individual memories. Right now I do not have any memory, but I can tell you what to do. Tap on the trash icon right next to the memory that you want to delete. Or if you want to clear the memory, what you can do is simply tap on the option Reset Memory. After that, all of your existing memories will be deleted. Like this, it will be cleared. If you do not want Claude to have the memory feature anymore, you can toggle this button off right next to the option for Generate Memory from Chat History. Tap on the option Pause Memory. Now all of your existing memory has already been deleted. Also, new memories will not be generated. Like this, you'll be able to clear Claude AI memory. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.